Good morning everyone. I, Khwahish Singh,
I, Garvita Adwani,
and I, Divyansh Panjabi,
are here from Saka Public School, Gandhinagar, Bhopal to present our project. In crowded areas, fire can cause significant harm. Fires are one of the leading causes of loss of life and property worldwide. Traditional smoke detectors like real-time alerts. To overcome this problem, we,
SPS Wonder Wizards,
are here to propose a smoke detection system with NodeMCU and Blynk for remote alerts and local alarms to enhance safety.
Why are smoke detectors important? Smoke detectors are important as they alert us to smokes and fires, saving lives and property. They are of isolation and photoelectronic types, and proper maintenance is crucial for effectiveness.
There are multiple components used in our project, including NodeMCU, breadboard, MQ135, etc.
a sensor MQ135 sensor detects the fire and sends an immediate notification to the user's mobile phone. It uses Gmail and Blynk to send a notification so that the user can take an immediate action. Now, I will introduce you by the working of our project. That's a matchstick, and when we'll fire this paper here, it will act as a smoke. It will act like the smoke here. When this will catch fire, it will give some smoke, and at the moment this MQ135 sensor will sense the smoke. As you can see here, it has sent a notification upon here. We should make it far. As you can see, it has a notification here. The gas has been detected, and there is a notification by the app Blynk, as you can see upon it here.
Our project can be used in homes to prevent kitchen fires, in industries to monitor smoke levels, in commercial areas and in public areas. Our project can be used in homes to prevent kitchen fires, in industries to monitor smoke levels, in commercial areas like malls and theatres, and in public areas like airports, railways and schools. Our project has multiple advantages: early warning, life-saving, affordable, low maintenance, etc.
Our future applications are integration with smart home ecosystem. The system can be extended to work with popular smart home platforms like Google Home, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, enabling voice-activated status checks or notifications. Automatic deactivation of electric appliances or HVAC systems during emergencies to reduce fire hazards. Our smoke detection system ensures safety at your fingertips, and it minimizes risks, saving lives and property. Thank you.